Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Gonna be doing the Peak Refuel chicken coconut curry. And coconut curry is one of my favorite meals on the planet. So I bought this a few months ago because I had some idea I was gonna do, but then it never panned out. So figured since I was coming to the park, I'd go ahead and have lunch. So I figured I'd go ahead and give this a try, see how it is. So let's get some water going. Okay, so according to the directions, this takes a one and a third cup water. All right, so according to the directions, this is a 1 1/3 cup of water. It's times like this when the measuring cup really helps out. Although it doesn't have third, I'm just gonna eyeball it. I like accurate measurements for my meals, especially these freeze-dried meals, because I don't want it soupy and I don't want it thick, because then it may not rehydrate properly. Okay. Water's going. Alright, let's get this pouch open. Get it ready. Get rid of the got chicken in there, carrots, rice. Smells like curry too. I'm just hoping this could be very flavorful. Alright, so we're getting close to the wire on the meal. So 10 minutes soaking is what it said. It's got chicken, rice, and vegetables with a coconut curry sauce. And it looks good too. 850 calories. Boiling water, 10 minutes. Letting steep. Why they bother doing the half package? I mean, how many people are actually only eating half a package? I mean, my fat ass can eat this whole thing. So, has it been 10 minutes? Yes, it has. So let's go ahead and give it a try. It smells really good. That's what she looks like. I wonder how much it's gonna stain like clothing or like some of your, because this is a plastic spoon. Hot. I'll tell you what though, that's really good. Nice big carrot. Hydrated really well. I actually like my carrots a little bit crunchier, but it's alright. It's got a nice flavor. They're hot. Alright, so here's my assessment. This meal, really good. I would give it a 9-1. Very tasty. It's got a real nice flavor from as soon as I started eating all the way down to the bottom. In fact, I had to make sure that I finished the meal, because if I turned the camera on, I'd just be sitting there eating it. Yeah, it was delicious. Yeah, 9-1. Good flavor. If you like spicy, you're not going to get it with this meal. So if you don't like spicy, you're going to get a nice flavor. But if you do like spice, you could always add spice to it. You know, bring a little container and just shake it on while you're eating it. Maybe some ground up like pepper flakes or something like that. If you got a bunch of, like, if you go to get pizza, you're gonna give you those pepper packets. Maybe one of those would be good in there. Although I like mine ground up, but there's lots of options out there for spices. But man, really tasty. I'd be happy to eat that meal again. And it didn't seem to discolor my spoon at all either. So that is the Peak Refuel chicken coconut curry. I don't know why I couldn't remember that. It was also written on the back, Mark Durr. So yeah, I would get this again, 9-1. That's a monster score for this. Anyway, I would like to thank you for watching. I'm going to clean up and go home. Get to editing. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Well, it should be Sunday when I post this, so I hope you had a great weekend. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to check out Cast Iron Wednesday on Wednesdays. Well, hence Cast Iron Wednesday. And we'll see you next time. Alright, peace out.